Welcome to CGD Master International Online Tutorials. This video, I will teach you how to open to password protect the Microsoft Excel workbook so that it cannot be opened by anybody or anyone except you. So to do it, just click the Excel icon. Okay. For example, this is your worksheet project. You make some calculations, formula, or you need some editing this sheets. So after so many pages work and you need to preserve your project so it will not be touched by anyone, it cannot be damaged, or even for your privacy, for your copyright. Nobody can alter your work except you. So you need to password protect the Excel sheet so that it cannot be opened. So to do it, just simply click the file, click the protect workbook, click the encrypt with password, and in this encrypt document you need to type your password. For example, this tutorial I will just enter my channel name CGG Master and click OK, and enter again CGG Master and click OK. And now your workbook has been protected. Just click Save and click Close. Now, if you reopen the worksheet, it wants the password, so nobody can open it except you. So, if we enter the password here, CGD Master, the workbook has been opened, and you can again edit your project and just click it, the Save button if you like. But what is the things that you need to remember here? The things that you need to be very careful is that do not let anyone take your password. Why? Because if they know the password, the tendency here is they can change your password. They can open it by themselves if they know how to do this. Just go through the procedures that I will show it to you. Then they just delete this password and they will put their own password what they like, and if they click OK, at that moment this project is no longer yours but them. So you cannot open the workbook anymore. It's the one, it is them who can open. So that is very not so good that anyone may know your password. The second thing you need to consider also is that when you type the password, be very careful, because if you make some mistake, you cannot open the document anymore. So that is the two important tips that I need to tell you in doing this encryption of the Excel. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial today, and I hope you learned something valuable. Please like, subscribe, share my channels to have more online tutorials. Thank you, and see you in my next tutorial. By the way, I have so many tutorials online, like programming and so many things in Excel, how to password the cell, the sheets, how to hide the tabs, how to make some uh, Excel programming, the basic accounting. If you are working on the sheets, I will show you there how to make the draft survey, the stability calculations, the ATA calculations, the budgets planning, and so many more. And also, I have my tutorial about how to make a simple reviewer by Visual Basic. So just subscribe my channel to benefit this free online tutorial. At the moment, thank you for watching.